Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Word is up to date. Outdated builds lack the latest dark mode fixes. Once you see your build in File account, update Office. This ensures settings behave predictably. Next, open File Options General and choose the Office theme, dark gray or black. This changes ribbons and panes. If you want full background contrast, make sure Windows personalization is set to dark. Doing both avoids theme conflicts and explains why some elements still look light. Once the basic theme is set, you tackle the common blocker, page color. Go to Design Page Color and pick No Color so the dark interface applies to document canvas. If Word still follows the OS, open File account and uncheck Use System setting, then select an Office theme manually. This forces Word to obey its own theme. If changes revert, perform a quick repair via Control Panel. That fixes corrupted preference files and often restores expected behavior. You finish by cleaning any lingering settings that block dark mode. If quick repair didn't work, export then remove the theme registry key under hkcu/software/Microsoft/Office/16. 0/common/theme to let Word rebuild defaults. Do this carefully. Also close Word and delete the normal. .m template in %appdata%\Microsoft/templates to clear cache styles. Finally, reinstall Office only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.